It's good to be with you once again on the audio segment of TheCounsellor, a production of Kashif Communications Limited and Passionate Image Ventures. And as you know, this program is informative, entertaining, and helps you improve your sex life. Florence Nightingale once said, "I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. Those words need to be distilled into actions, which brings result. And those actions are what we are going to talk about today on TheCounsellor. And it will be taking us on so many ways we can rekindle the sex passion in our matrimonial lives and always keep the fire burning. Sex is fun, but only if you go about it the right way. In this edition, we'll be discussing the following topics. Why is sex so important? What kind of sex are we talking about? Advantages of having regular sex. Tips for improving your sexual relationships. What can make a wife or husband deny each other sex? How to prepare the ground for perfect sex. I'll hand you over to our pilot for this segment.
Let's talk about sex. We have observed that communication and sex are two vital factors that have rocked many marriages and are setting some other marriages on fire. Whenever the word sex is mentioned, some couples see it as a routine duty performed for procreation and recreational purposes. Discussions on sex between couples should not have a set pattern, but when the word sex is mentioned, either the wife or husband views it as an improper discussion. Do you initiate a discussion on sex at all? In the course of discussion, do you look into each other's eyes? Are you shy about the subject? Satisfaction from sex should be a two-way channel. Couples must be satisfied and express it. It is important to ask, "Honey, are you satisfied?" If he or she is not, encourage each other to express a sincere opinion concerning sexual satisfaction. Feedback is vital and crucial in achieving sexual satisfaction. In this part of our world, many women are not bold enough to express their sexual satisfaction to their husband. Studies have shown that women believe that confessing their true feelings concerning sexual satisfaction to their husbands will present them as cheap. It's time you embraced open communication. Woman, look into your partner's eyes and tell him how you feel about his performance in bed. And if need be, both of you should devise a means of improving the bedroom experience. Many men are more forthcoming about their sexual experience to their wives. It is quite common to overhear a sexually fulfilled man bragging about what happened behind closed doors. This affirms his manhood among his peers. The truth of the matter is that couples should devise a means of honest and open communication in all ramifications of their marriage, particularly sex-related issues. Studies have shown that newly married couples are usually sexually active, but this marital obligation decreases on the part of some women when the babies start showing up. Then, the attention shifts to the babies while the man is forced to go on a compulsory sexual break. He has no choice but to wrestle with unfulfilled sexual desires for the time being. If the man lacks some form of discipline and self-control, he will satisfy his sexual urge elsewhere, and this gives birth to crisis. Why is sex so important?